Hello friends, welcome to Asha Kiran Immigration Services Private Limited. I'm here to guide you regarding the submission of MON project application which is on 16th August 2016. How to submit MON project application. The timing is 8:30 a.m. Montreal time and you will be getting only 10 minutes for the submission of your applications once you log into the page. There is few tips which you have to keep in mind during the submission. First of all, we should be ready with the username and the password. Second thing, the security questions will be ready. Uppercase and lowercase matters. Do not use mobile or tabs for the submission. Okay, and at least be online 2 hours before. Never click a back button if you stuck in between. Okay, you can download the TeamViewer 11 in your computer and give your coordinator the username and the password so that by chance you get stuck in between, you just give them the login details and they can access your computer and help you regarding the submission and all. Here I'll show you how to make a sticky notes. We can make a sticky note or you can write it in a Word format, your username, password, the security questions with the answer so that it will be easy for you for the submission. See, all of you got a mail from our office in this format, like it should be like that. Okay, 16th August is the submission date. Timing is 8:30 a.m. Montreal time. Okay, there is a video link also which we are making right now. Okay, then the username, password, like that. This is the government website. You just simply click on that or you just simply copy paste in a web browser like this. Address bar. Once we log into that website, just click this button, sign in. After clicking the sign in, we will be coming in the virtual waiting room. It's a waiting room, we have to wait for our turn. Once our turn will come, there will be a sound of beep. Anytime we will be logging. Here is the sound of beep. It means it's our turn now. Now the C connector page appear. Just click on C connector. Write the username and the password or you just simply copy paste where you. After that connection, see the security question, accordingly answer it. It's written film, then you can answer this one. If it's written livery, something like that, you can answer this. You can see your mail, according to that you can write the answers. Then we went. This is how the screen will appear once we log in. Click modify my demand. Then submit my demand. Don't waste time, don't look here and there, just click submit my demand. Select the first and the third option. Then write the city where you are right now. You can write Delhi, then the country, India. If suppose you are in Saudi Arabia, you can write the city here accordingly, then the country as Arabia Saudi, where it is, here it is. Right now I'm writing Delhi, so I will be writing India as India. Then submit. Once we click the button submit, it will be asking us whether you want to submit the application or not. So OUI means yes, we want to submit. We'll click on this OUI. Today as not a submission date, so we will not be getting the message as submission is done. But on 16th of August, when you are going to click the button OUI means yes, you will be getting the message as the application submitted. I'll show you how the screen will appear. Once you click OUI, you will be getting the confirmation like this. It's written in French that your application is successfully submitted. Once this option is come, you have to click this button OK. After clicking OK, you will be getting this type of screen. Okay, this screen asks you how you want to do the payment. This screen asks you how you want to do the payment. First, second, third means first means pay online, then pay by mail means a bank draft. Pay later, you have to click the last one, pay later. Once you click the pay later, you can just return back to the same window like this. Okay, then just simply deconnect means you just simply log out after clicking that third option. Once your application is submitted, just make a call to your respective coordinator and inform them about the submission. If you are not getting their numbers, just simply send an email stating that my name is this and I submitted my application successfully, and the person will revert you back. All the best.